Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Stripe affiliate offers tracking on partner pages, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Locate the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Click on settings to access the configuration options. In the settings menu, find the connect section. Click on connect to manage your partner settings. Select affiliate offers within the connect menu. In the affiliate offers section, you'll see an option to enable tracking. Toggle the switch to activate the affiliate offers tracking feature. Once enabled, you can set tracking parameters for your affiliate links. Define your preferred parameters, such as commission rates and expiration dates. Make sure to review the documentations for additional settings. Next, save your changes to apply the new tracking settings. After saving, you need to generate affiliate links for your partners. Click on Generate Links in the affiliate section. Provide necessary details, including the partner name and offer specifics. After inputting the details, click on Create Affiliate Link. Once created, the affiliate link will appear on your page. Distribute this link to your partners for tracking purposes. Monitor the performance of your affiliate offers in the dashboard. Access the Analytics section regularly for updates on clicks and conversions. Adjust your offers as needed based on performance data. Make sure to communicate any changes to your partners. This completes the process of enabling Stripe affiliate offers tracking on partner pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.